Cedar, beautiful wood, resistant to weather, lasts for a long time. I'm Robert Markey, been doing construction for a long time. We're going to talk about installing cedar shingles. Now, cedar shingles can be installed on a wall or on a roof. And basically, it's the same method of installing them, except for where you start. On the wall, you start at the bottom, do a whole row. So let's kind of take it from the middle here. Okay. You're going to be using basically 6-penny ring shank galvanized nails or stainless steel nails if you never want them to come off. The stainless steel is the best with cedar if you can afford it. You're going to nail the side about a 1/2 inch from the side, a 1/2 inch from this side. The next one, you're going to leave a space, about 1/4 of an inch. Bottom should line up. Same thing. So let's assume you got the whole row. You're good up to there. Your next course, and this can vary. On a roof, you probably don't want much more than 5 inches here. You can add a little more. You go 6 on a wall. And you want to make sure that you're not matching up those. You want at least 1 inch over. You got your 6 inches up. There you have it. Same. And clearly you want to make sure your nails are more than 6 inches up. The whole row, bottom to top, and you're done. With Robert Markey, we've been talking about installing cedar shingles.